If you need to change some of these recipes or parts of the recipe, as food is different all around the country, what we can do is we can show you how to change the recipe. We go into the bottom burger button here, press settings, again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to go into edit recipes. Here it's going to show us all of our recipes. Here we can go into the actual group, and here we can find the recipe that we want to change. So for instance, if we wanted to change our toasted sandwich recipe, we would then select it. We could then edit the steps, and here are the steps for the toasted sandwich recipe. You can see we've got several levels there. So there's part 1 and part 2. We can tap on part 1 and we can change any aspect of it. We can change the impingement air, we can change the microwave strength, we can change the time, and we can also change the temperature. Once we've done that, press the save button, we will override it, and now we can go into the second part of the recipe. And if we need to add a few more seconds, we can tap on the seconds button and we can input the right number, press the tick button, press the save button, and save will now override it. Now if we go back into our main menu, the house button, our toasted sandwich recipe will have changed and it will be ready, including all the extra seconds we've added.